By the end of this video, you'll know how to access thousands of AI tools completely free. There's basically an app store with over 500,000 AI tools giving you free access to many features that usually cost money. I'll show you exactly how to use it, plus my top 7 favorite tools. Let's dive in. All you need to do is head over to Hugging Face Spaces. Let's do it together. Open a new browser tab and go to huggingface.co/spaces. This brings up the AI app directory, where you can explore hundreds of AI tools. You can search for anything AI related, whether it's removing a background, generating images, or transcribing audio. For example, if I type image upscaler, I instantly get a list of AI models designed to upscale images. You can also filter by different use cases, making it easy to find the perfect tool. And if you are feeling curious, just click the dice icon to discover random AI apps. If you don't like what you see, roll again for new suggestions. You can also sort AI tools by trending, most liked, recently updated, or relevance to your search. Once you find a tool you like, just click on it to start using it instantly. For example, this right here is Janus Pro 7B, DeepSeek's latest multimodal AI model. It's capable of handling both text and images, making it a versatile tool for AI enthusiasts. Not only that, but it even features text-to-image generation. Now let's test it out and see how it works. First, I will try the image to text and see its accuracy in describing images. I will upload an image over here, then write a simple prompt. Then click on chat. The processing time is quite quick, and the image description is very accurate. Now let's test the text to image option. For example, let's say that I wanted to make an image of a futuristic neon lit city. All I have to do is type the prompt in here, click generate image, and this is gonna generate me an image of a futuristic neon city. And on top of that, it actually generated several images. And this is pretty crazy because these images look great for a free and unlimited tool. The next tool I wanna try out is the mini version of Midjourney, also free and unlimited, and you will find it in the image generation category. Let's click on it, and we will get to this interface and then type our prompt. I will just ask it to generate an image of a beautiful woman sitting in a cafe. Then over here you see advanced settings that you can tweak them to your liking. I will leave them as they are, then set the image style to cinematic and click on run. Let's wait for the results. We have 2 generated images of the beautiful woman sitting in the cafe. The first one looks good except for the hand, which doesn't look right, and the second one is absolutely perfect. So you can use this Midjourney for your projects. To download the image, just click on this download arrow over here. Now let's check out the video generation models. There is a lot to choose from, but I want to show you my personal favorite, which is Live Portrait. Honestly, this is the best app that allows you to turn a still photo into a moving, interactive portrait with lip sync, including blinking, smiling, or moving their head using a reference video. Let's see how it works. So over here is where you will upload the image you want to animate. I will just use the one we generated on Midjourney. Then here is where you will upload the driving video. I will just use one of the examples given here. This one looked good. We'll just click and drop it into the box. And then click on animate. Let's wait a few seconds to see the result. The video is ready. Let's take a look.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear.
Look at how it replicated every motion from the driving video. It's absolutely amazing. Now let's test out the SatTalker AI tool, which is also an image animator. Over here, you upload the image you want to animate. Then you can upload your voice over here. And then here you can adjust the length of the video according to the length of the voice over, so I will reduce it to 3 seconds long. If you want to play around with the settings, you can do that over here. I will just tweak them a bit and then click on generate. The video is ready. Let's have a look. I will have a chicken mayo sandwich with extra cheese. The video quality is really good, and the lip sync is not bad at all. The next tool lets you visually try on clothes, and it's absolutely amazing. It works very well if you want to change the style and clothes of your AI influencer. This tool is incredibly useful. To access it, simply go over here and type in clothes. This will bring up several options such as segment clothes in images, clothes segmentation, or segment and visualize clothes with images. But my personal favorite is Colors Virtual Try-On. When I click on it, I can upload a picture of myself, add different clothing options, and see the results instantly. Since I don't have an image of myself right now, I'm going to drag and drop this image instead. Next, I'll see what she looks like in this formal dress. The process is super simple. We just drag the image up here, drop it, and click run. Now, the tool will generate the result, and what's really cool is that it shows the exact processing time. This is one of my favorite things about Hugging Face. It tells you exactly when to expect the output, unlike many other tools that randomly work or sometimes don't. And now, as we can see, the outfit has changed. You can clearly see her arms in every detail. It's basically the same image, but now she's wearing a formal dress. Pretty amazing. Now, let's try something different. This time, we're gonna put on this Blue's Clues style shirt and see how it looks. Once again, we just click run, and in the same amount of time, the tool will generate the result. And here it is. As we can see, she actually looks pretty good in this. It's a definite upgrade from what she was wearing before. It even looks a bit more professional. And of course, you can repeat this process with any outfit you like. It's that easy. Now let's look for a voice cloning tool to test. I'm just gonna click on this one and remove the existing audio so I can upload my own. I will upload a voiceover from one of Morgan Freeman's interviews. Next, I'll type in what I want the voice clone to say, accept the terms and conditions, and finally, click send. Let's see how it turns out.
How about you tell me exactly what you want me to do? Because I am completely confused.
The voice clone turned out really good. The emotion in the voice is impressive. It sounds natural and expressive, which is something many AI voice tools struggle with. If you're looking for a solid voice cloning tool, this one is definitely worth trying. Lastly, let's head over to image editing and look for a tool we can use. I'll go with the face swap tool because it's super helpful for video creation. Now, let's click on this one. In this box, I'll upload the target image, which is the photo where we want to replace the face. The body and background stay the same, but the face will be swapped out. And here, I'll upload the source image, which is the image providing the new face, then click on face swap to generate the result. The face swap turned out amazing. The transition looks super smooth, and the new face blends naturally with the target image. The lighting, angles, and overall realism make it look almost seamless. This tool does an incredible job at making the swap look as natural as possible. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite tool. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.